Hello class, good morning. So in this video lesson, we're going to learn about negative numbers. In primary school, you have learned about whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and etc. How about this one? You call it as integers. Okay, this one is negative integers. Start from 1, 2, 3 until etc. You call it as positive integers. And 0 is neither a positive nor a negative integer. Okay. Next, about addition and subtraction involving negative numbers. What is negative 2 plus negative 3 equal to? Okay. Negative 2 plus negative 3. Negative 2 first, and then you add 3 negative 1. Add 3 more negative 1. Okay, so now what is the answer? Negative 2 plus negative 3 equals to, let's recount together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5. So negative 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 5. Adding two negative integers gives the same result as the negative of the sum of their absolute values. Okay, Misty will repeat again. Adding two negative integers gives the same result as the negative of the sum of their absolute value. Next example. What is 5 plus negative 2 equal to? 5. Okay, there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus negative 2. So you need to add 2 negative 1. Okay. And then you need to remove 2 zero pairs. Remember that negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. You need to remove 2 zero pairs. 5 plus negative 2 equals 3. Okay, so 5 plus negative 2, it's equal to 3. Adding a negative integers gives the same result as subtracting the absolute value of the negative integer. Okay, adding a negative integer gives the same result as subtracting the absolute value of the negative integer. Next example, what is 2 minus 5 equal to? 2 minus 5. Okay, 2 and then negative 5. 2 and then you need to add 3 zero pairs. 3 zero pairs make from 1 plus negative 1. Okay, remember that negative 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and then you need to take away 5, 1. You need to take away 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It becomes negative 3. So 2 minus 5, it equals to negative 3. Subtracting a greater positive integer from a smaller positive integer gives the same result as the negative of the difference of two integers. Okay. Subtracting a greater positive integer from a smaller positive integer gives the same result as the negative of the difference of two integers. It means like you need to minus it. Okay, negative 5 5 plus 2. It becomes negative 3. Next example, negative 5 minus 2. What is negative 5 minus 2 equal to? Negative 5 This one. Okay, and then you need to minus with 2. So you need to add 2 zero pairs. Zero pairs made from, you need to add 1 plus negative 1. It becomes 0. Okay, so you need to add 2 zero pairs. And then you need to take away 2 1. You need to take away, and then it becomes negative 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7. So negative 2 minus negative 5 minus 2 is equal to negative 7. Subtracting a positive integer from a negative integer gives the same result as the negative of the sum of the absolute values of the two integers. Subtracting a positive integer from a negative integer gives the same result as the negative of the sum of the absolute values of the two integers. Next example, what is 5 minus negative 2 equal to? What is 5 minus negative 2 equal to? 5 and then minus negative 2. So you need to add 2 zero pairs again. Okay. And then you need to take away 2 minus 1. Because the equation is 5 minus negative 2. That's why you need to take away 2 minus 1 or 2 negative 1. Take away 2 negative 1 and it becomes 7. Okay, so 5 minus negative 2 equals 7. Okay, subtracting a negative integer gives the same result as adding the absolute value of the negative integer. Subtracting a negative integer gives the same result as adding the absolute value of the negative integer. Okay, that's all about negative number. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.